Greetings, how to buy Dash coin. Welcome, I am Emre, webmaster of cryptocurrencies.net. In this video, I will show you easiest way to buy Dash coin. How to deposit money on Binance. How to buy Dash coin. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission kickback links and codes. Now, this is our website cryptocurrencies.net. On this website, you can get all information about cryptocurrencies, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy Ethereum, and others. So easy. Now, we should go Dashcoin page, click. On this page, we can get all information about Dash. So easy. Videos, Binance codes. Now, how to get Dash. Just one click. Let's go.